Okay. I just got back from the mall, and then... Well, I don't know what that was all about. Also, welcome to my video. I'm late in the morning. My mental health is not doing so well, but that's okay. As long as no influence gets into my brain, we're fine. What's going on here? I just got back from the basement and... Oh. I see what's going on. You're shooting my cat, aren't you? You feel proud of yourself. You feel accomplished. You do. Hold on, I'll teach you what for. I'll teach you what for. He's shooting me, that's okay. I'm practically a god at this point. That's what you get for shooting my cat. Wait. I don't even remember having a cat in the first place. Wait. That's not... Cat is not a cat. Kitty is cat. We are homeless, run!